there, friend. Here is the tour of our cool room at the gorgeous Bahia Principe luxury Runaway Bay, Jamaica adults-only resort. This is the Junior Suite Deluxe Ocean View room. The room has a king-size canopy bed with a comfy pillow top mattress, and it's huge. You get a ton of space here. It has a cozy living room with sofa bed and a desk. Although this room is air-conditioned, it also has a ceiling fan. This also features a flat-screen satellite TV, a telephone, a safe, an iron and ironing board, a coffee and tea section, and a mini bar fridge that gets replenished daily. Everything you need is available, like water, sodas, local beers, liquor, and some snacks. Bathroom looks gorgeous. It has a jacuzzi tub, 2 sinks, Dom Pablo bathroom amenities, magnifying mirror, and a hair dryer. I love the fact that toilet is separate from the shower. Take a look at this awesome balcony, the perfect spot to chill out after a fantastic day at the resort, with gorgeous sights of the pool and the sea.